Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Many players wonder about getting Brawl Stars mods on iOS, especially looking ahead to 2025. It's important to understand that Apple's iOS ecosystem is built for security, making traditional game modifications incredibly challenging. This guide will help clarify the reality of what's possible and what's not when it comes to altering Brawl Stars on your iPhone or iPad. We'll dive into why this specific type of customization isn't straightforward for online mobile games. Apple's iOS platform is specifically engineered with security as a top priority. This includes a process called app sandboxing, which means each application runs in its own isolated environment. This strict design protects your device from malicious software and prevents apps, including games like Brawl Stars, from making unauthorized changes to other applications or core system files. This is the primary reason why traditional mods, which often involve altering game code, are simply not feasible on iOS devices. When we talk about mods for an online competitive game like Brawl Stars, it's a very different scenario than modding a single-player PC game. Brawl Stars constantly communicates with Supercell servers, which validate game data to ensure fair play for everyone. Any client-side modification that tries to alter gameplay, visuals, or in-game values will almost certainly be detected, leading to connection issues, or worse, a permanent account ban. Supercell is vigilant in maintaining game integrity. Instead of seeking unofficial modifications, remember that Brawl Stars offers a wealth of safe and exciting ways to enhance your gameplay experience. You can unlock and upgrade many different brawlers, collect unique cosmetic skins, and dive into a constantly evolving set of official game modes. Participating in in-game events or content creator challenges approved by Supercell also provides legitimate fun and progression, all within the game's secure framework. There's plenty to discover officially. Ultimately, maintaining your account security and device integrity should always be your top priority. Engaging with unofficial modifications from unknown sources can expose your device to malware, compromise your personal data, or lead to irreversible account bans. Sticking to the official Brawl Stars app ensures you enjoy a fair, secure, and consistently updated gaming experience alongside the entire player community. Play safe, have fun, and enjoy the game as intended by its creators.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.